The replacement of the tubing system for the inks feeding to the dampers. We're going to walk through using a syringe, Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters for tie wraps, wear eye protection as well. So I've already gone ahead and we've done the rest of them. There's only one left, so I'm going to walk you through showing you how to do that. I'm going to remove the damper. I got a paper towel just in case. And slowly push the ink back to the bag. And you do not want to apply too much pressure because you don't want to pop the damper. So, and that's why you slowly push it back. You're going to hear air in the bag as well. So once you get to a certain section, you see that there's resistance, stop. And then let go and slowly apply some more pressure. And you see there, you can hear the air go back into the bag. So once the air is in the bag, it may start to continue to drip, so you can push maybe about half a syringe more through. And I think that should be good enough. I'm going to wrap the damper up here. And you're going to do that with all the colors, okay? Next, we're going to go back to the basket here. So this is the basket in which we just pushed the ink back to the bag. So what you're going to do is make sure that you have a paper towel too. We've already gone ahead and disconnected the rest of the tubes here. And it's going to get a little messy as well. So to disconnect this tubing, what you're going to have to do is actually we unscrew it, the cap. Once the cap's removed, it actually will pull right out just like that. And you see here, there's an O-ring inside. If I show you here the cap, there's that O-ring. So when you install the new tubing system, this goes in first, followed by the O-ring right on the tubing. Now the next part is we're going to feed the line through here, because what we want to do is I'm going to set this aside here now, and we're going to use this later. So set this aside vertically and out of the way so it doesn't get hit by anyone. Now to feed this through, you're going to see that it actually will be fed through this way, up. And normally I would just start with the first four, so you can grab the first four here, or you can grab the whole entire thing. Just be careful, because it's going to get a little bit messy if you have everything just like that. So we're going to grab it. So there's a tubing system. I just fed that through. Now the next part is we have to disconnect it from the gator track here. In order to do that, you have to actually open these clips here. Set this aside because you're going to have to re-clip them as well. So I'm going to just put them right there to the side for now. And there's a lot of them.